Hey everybody, this is Abdel here with Ratio Trading, and I wanted to take a look at the markets here. First off, this is the first video of the new year, so happy New Year to everybody. Expect these videos on a much more frequent basis this year. Expect more classes, webinars, all that good stuff. So just stay tuned, and you'll obviously be seeing this in your inbox, Twitter, all that good stuff. So let's just jump in here and talk about these markets as we're about 9 days into the new year here. You can see in the past few weeks we've had a lot of volatility, right? A lot of up and down, kind of figuring out what this market wants to do. If we go to the SPX here, which is essentially going to be the same thing, I want to look at a bigger picture here. And what you'll see here is that over the past few weeks, we've just kind of been hovering around here. Now, there's a lot of people calling this sort of a top, that this year we're going to start to see some noticeable retracements. And I don't know. I mean, I'm letting the market tell me. And right now, the market has been doing nothing but going up for the last few years. So we're going to have to see something that's really significant to sort of validate that this thing wants to come down. I say that is because not too long ago we had this major drop, and when I saw this major drop, my first thought was, oh, this thing is broken. I think it was a major trend that it had broken, and it essentially looked like, hey, you know, this several year run is coming to an end here. And that ended up not being the case. I think it was, you know, somewhere along here you can see it broke, and then I expected especially that it was going to retrace and start to come back. Never happened, kept going up. So I'm watching it here. I don't have any sells. I don't have a short at the moment. I'm just watching it. So for those who are saying it's going to fall, there needs to be more. And for me, I really need to see it start to, I mean, this bounced back up, so I need to start seeing some hard selling, and it basically needs to be harder than what we saw here before I'm convinced. So for now, I'm not convinced yet. Some of the other markets I've been watching include a lot of individual stocks. So you can see here Tesla. A lot of people have been asking me about Tesla. I don't have anything either here. I'm watching it, and you know, Tesla does this thing where it likes to go up really hard and then come down really hard, but not much is happening right here. So for me, I'm kind of just sitting on my hands with this one. One other one that I want to take a look at is Apple. We have earnings in about 2 weeks now. I was looking for a long here on Apple to re-enter. I am no longer doing that. Now, I am still long from a position a while back, and it'll be interesting to see when they release numbers and their forecasts of phones, how many they sell, how the market reacts to it. But at the moment, I also don't have a play on Apple. So I'm watching it, but I don't have a play. Okay. One other market I want to take a quick look at is oil, which has obviously been in the news a lot lately with the selling and all that stuff. So if we take a look at oil here, you know, everyone's wondering where's that bottom going to be, and you can see I've got two horizontal lines drawn there where I expect it to get. I mean, that's the truth. Once we saw a break here of this sort of triangle, my thought process was, all right, well, we've got some support here and here, you know, around here. And if it breaks any of that, there's nothing stopping it from retesting the 2009 lows, where there's some 2003 support here. You can see that support, that resistance there became support. So for me, my expectation is that it's going to get into the mid 30s level within the next month or two, or however long it takes. So I am not getting long. Now, once it gets in there, I'll watch it and see if it starts to show any signs for reversal. But at the moment, I am not getting long. So basically what I've been doing is I've been looking for any shorting opportunities. So during the day, I kind of look and see, oh, is there a 2 minute, oh, I must not be logged in. Is there a 2 hour short? Is there a 1 hour short? And I'll ride those little bits of shorts, because that right now is the path of least resistance. If you're in this from a a larger move and you're looking to see where it goes, I personally, again, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but I personally believe that there's nothing stopping this from getting into this range, which is low 40s to, low to mid 30s. You can see 41, 33. That's where I expect it to get to. Maybe it takes another month or so to happen, but that's what I'm expecting. All right. Hope that helps. Stay tuned for a lot more videos, and go to Ratio Trading if you'd like to participate in any courses or classes. We're going to be starting those right away. All right. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next time.